Good morning, children. Today for your language, we will be dealing up with the chapter types of sentences. Okay, from your book Fun with Grammar. This is in page number. This is in chapter 6, kinds of sentences. Okay. So before we proceed towards the kinds of sentences, it is very important that we know what is a sentence. So sentence is basically a group of words which makes a complete sense. So there are variety of sentences. So when we go through each sentence, we can easily predict and understand which category of the sentence it belongs to. Here in this video, we will be talking about the same types of sentences. So basically there are 4 types of sentences. Now the first type is the assertive sentence. Now assertive sentence means a group of words which makes a statement. Okay, it is just a statement. It just passes out a statement, any kind of statement. There are examples I have written. For example, Rama brought a newspaper. Rama is going to the market. These are basic sentences which always falls under this assertive sentence. Now this assertive sentence also is categorized into 2, which is affirmative and the negative. Affirmative means the positive sentences and negative means the negative sentence. Okay, so from assertive we can form 2 types of sentences. I said, example for affirmative sentence is he likes yoga. You can see this is a positive sentence because it doesn't have no, never, not, right? But here this sentence can be changed into a negative form. So that negative sentence of the same sentence would be he does not like yoga. So you can see there is a not. So that indicates this is a negative sentence. Okay, so these tell you again, this assertive sentence is categorized into 2. Affirmative means the positive sentence and negative means the negative. Okay, and then the next is the imperative sentence. Now what is imperative? It's a group of words which access for a command or gives an order or a request. Okay, there are many examples for, so like sit down, this is a command, or please sit down, this becomes a request, or come here, this is an order, right? So that is imperative sentence. Now for assertive sentence, the sentence always ends up with a full stop. The punctuation is the full stop, and here imperative sentence also ends with a full stop. That's also the punctuation. Now the third type of sentence would be the imperative interrogative sentence. Okay, so what is an interrogative? It means it's a group of words which asks questions. Okay, any sentences that asks questions, for example, which pen is yours, which is your house, where do you live, these are all under interrogative sentences. Then exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a group of sentence which ends up with a strong feeling. There are some emotions which through the sentence only we can find out what kind of emotion or the person is dealing with, what feeling it is. So here, and this interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. This is very important. The punctuation is the question mark, and the exclamatory sentence also ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, so exclamation mark denotes this one here. This is very important that we note down the punctuations of types of sentences. Now these assertive sentence, you may get a question, change this assertive sentence into negative, or change this imperative sentence into interrogative. For example, one sentence, where do you live? This is an interrogative sentence. Now when you are changing this sentence into a statement, what you will say? I live in Hamilton Ganj. So this is a statement, right? So that is under assertive. This kind of exercises we do for changing the forms of sentences. Okay, alas, he is dead. So this is an exclamation sentence, and there are other varieties of sentences like this is a beautiful book. Okay, this is a beautiful book. This is a statement. This is an assertive. This is an affirmative sentence. Okay, if I change this sentence into exclamation, what a beautiful book is this? this is. So that becomes exclamation. Okay, exclamatory sentences. So we talk these all things about types of sentences here, and rest I'll be providing you with in exercises. So you will practice those exercises and also those unsolved questions which you have to submit it by the evening. So thank you.